Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your permanently disabled Facebook account or how to appeal your banned Facebook account. So let's say due to some reasons your Facebook account was disabled and now you want to recover it, then what you have to do is open your internet browser and simply search for this disable Facebook account recovery and then simply tap on this first option here. And now when you are here, you have to scroll down until you see this option here, get started. Just simply tap on this get started. Now scroll down again and below this information is helpful, select no and then click on other. Now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to write that you want to recover your disabled Facebook account. Once you have done that, tap on submit, and after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours Facebook team will contact you or your permanently disabled Facebook account will be recovered. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.